Hello everyone, you're welcome to Spec Deck Constructions, and we take delight in keeping you updated in everything about civil engineering, especially when it has to do with site matters. We don't just talk theory, we show you practically on site. And today I'll be showing you what a cantilever slab looks like on site. A cantilever slab. What is the reason for cantilever slab? When you want to increase the area of your room sizes on your first floor and other floors above your ground floor, there is need for cantilever slab so that the area of your room or your room size is going to increase automatically. So this is how a cantilever slab looks like on site. Now observe, the length of this cantilever is 500 mm. 500 mm. Now you can see the return bars of this cantilever. You can see the main bar going there. The return bar of this cantilever is 3 times the length of the cantilever. Okay, so what you have there is, instead of 500, the return bar is 1.5. It is different from other return bars. For instance, you can see the return bar of this. You can see the return bar of this normal beam. Okay, the return bar of this is this. Okay, so it is not as long as the return bar for your cantilever slab. The cantilever slab has its return bar longer. Okay, and it's supposed to be minimum of 3 times the length of your cantilever. Okay, length of your cantilever slab. So you have the main bar going and returning like that, and you also have the distribution bar as well, returning too. So that's your cantilever slab. The reason why the return is usually longer, usually 3 times the cantilever slab, is because to avoid the moment, standing here, per se, this is now the balcony. Like in this design, this is the balcony of this room. So per se, somebody is standing here and there are vibration loads coming on top and they are uniformly distributed. If the return is not extended to that point, the bending moment over here is going to be much, and what you're going to see is that this place will bend over. But because of the length of this bar, the load over here is going to be efficiently managed and distributed by the length of this. Having a longer length this way is going to prevent the moment that will be occurring here. Okay, so that is how your cantilever slab looks like on site.